Hi guys! In this videos, I am going to show you how to download Valorant on PC or laptop. Valorant is a multiplayer game for PC. Want to play Valorant on PC in this video? As for you, watch till the end. Now first of all, open the web browser in your laptop. I use Chrome, I open it. In search Valorant from here. Click the first link of Valorant. Link in description. And then click the play for free. And here, choose your platform. I use PC. I click it. After that, sign in or create an account. And scroll down, you see the download button, click on it. The Valorant downloading will started, please wait. And then Valorant downloading is completed to open download folder in your laptop. This is the Valorant setup, double click on it. And then click the install. Valorant installation will start, please wait. After installation, this is the another install button. This is the game installation setup. Click on it. This is the game install location information. And then click install. Installation will completed to add a desktop. This is my game is ready.